Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Living Legends. Today I will be using my Assault Matrix paintball marker. I will be using no secondary, but I will have my Kill House weapon system red dot, magnifier, foregrip, and sometimes my laser attached. Also, I am wearing my tactical outfit, my gear, and my boots are made by Original SWAT. My cameras I film with are made by Drift, and my gloves and head wrap are made by Armadillo. Oh my goodness gracious, let's get to it. We are at Living Legends CPX Sports.
Whoa.
At the hill, trying to push through.
I'm gonna go in that barrier in front of this truck.
This is the world famous hill in CPX Sport. I think it's in Bedlam, it's called. Should really know this by now.
How much, sorry? Huh? Say that again, sorry?
30 and over skirmish, starting in 20 minutes at the wasteland. We need to win that.
Roger that.
It's not final battle or anything. This is just, we're just trying to take over the rest of the city, and I'm trying to get these guys to go over the hill and attack, and you're going to see what I do. I run up to the front of the battle like I try to do. See some heads, try to put them down, and keep crawling up to the cover.
Yes, sir.
This is the field that you see the massive final battle happen in Living Legends. But here we're just doing a minor skirmish.
You mean here? What do you want to do, Wolf? I want to move up to the next building.
This young player in front of me wants to move up.
Say again?
So I'm going to give him some cover.
You want to go?
Yeah, tuck them in.
Roger, on your count. Go.
See, it's guys that
You make it?
who inspire me to move up too. It's crazy.
Did you make it? Roger that.
He made it up okay, very cool.
Watch that way, or we're dead.
I gotta make sure that all the angles are covered so we don't get flanked from the left side, and try and cover this right side of more of our people move up.
Roger that. Just watch my back. Someone watch over that part of the hill.
Notice I'm laying down prone behind the barrier. I've only got a little bit of my marker exposed, and keep looking out.
Say again? What? I gotta reload, hold up. Reloading, hold on. Where at? Roger that. Hey Darlene! How you doing? Hey Wolf. Sir! We doing something stupid right now? What you wanna do? Alright, give me a minute. I'm light on my right side, Doc. We can make it up there if we want to.
Now we're getting a lot more backup with us, and we can get ready to make a move. I'm getting brave now, and I've got the right people with me.
If I get some decent cover and fire, I can make it up there.
Where do you want to go?
All the way to the wall.
Alright, let us know where you're
Listen! I am going to run up and shoot across this way.
Foxy Mama takes a great picture of us there.
I need you guys to shoot this way. Straight ahead. I'm going to go up. I'm going to run over the hill.
That guy in the green is Glenn Beagle.
Is there a rest close?
Awesome player, and he's got a rocket launcher.
Where do you want to hit?
He's of the Mad Frog team. He's going to help us move up.
Clear out that 12 o'clock building.
12 o'clock building. You got guys looking right now. 12 o'clock building.
Building 12 o'clock. He's going to clear.
Heads up, buddy. Heads up.
All right, so he's going to clear the building with a launcher.
Let us know when you're ready.
And we're all going to move up. Well, at least that's the plan. You never know how these things will work. Nothing like trying to run over
Any
a
luck?
really big hill in paintball.
Clearing out.
Hey, Darlene, get him shooting. Try and get him mid-air.
We make sure a ref is in place to call out the players that he hits out, and after Glenn shoots, and we're all gonna run for it across the hill. All right, let's do this. Join me. Let's go.
Okay. Hey, everybody, listen now. On 3, every one of you sons of beasts, stand up, shoot, and move up! Isn't taking too long! 1, 2, 3, go!
Ow, 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 ow. Felt that one, but it was worth it, baby. I know I got a few.
That looks like everybody moved up, didn't it?
It was just me and you.
Thank you for joining me once again on the Wolf's Den. Stay tuned for more from Living Legends, and please follow me on Instagram. You're gonna have a fun time if you do.
Brother, I try.
And hit that like button,
Thank you. I can't see.
that subscribe button
I know, right? Jesus.
Stay
Bro, they were
tuned
wide open when we moved up.
for more.